Wake up, we gotta go shopping.
Oh, okay, Mom. Okay.
Shotgun!
Little bro, you can't call shotgun. We're not even leaving yet.
Yes, I can.
Oh yeah? Then just ask Mom. She's not gonna say yes.
Mom, can I please get shotgun on the way
Yeah,
home?
sure, honey. Yeah.
Yeah. Little bro's gonna ride shotgun.
Okay, guys, I got everything I need. Time to go home.
Yes, shotgun.
It doesn't matter, little bro. I'm older. I always get shotgun.
I thought he was gonna do this again. Yes! Shotgun is ours. He's such a sissy. This guy's just a baby. See? Harmless.